Hi everyone. I was on Peachy Cheap again, and I purchased this because I had actually been looking for it and couldn't find it. I think I did find it on eBay, but they wanted a small fortune for it. And it's the En Vogue, because you know I have all these daughters and granddaughters. I've got one son and one grandson. All the rest are girls. And so anyhow, I was thinking, oh, I should have bought that. And then it's like I couldn't find it. I looked on eBay and maybe even Etsy, and it was like it was just so expensive. So anyhow, you got the whole kit that is 12 by 12 papers, and it's Carta, so it's, you know, luscious. And so let me go ahead and show it to you, because if you haven't seen it, it's beautiful. I've got so much mess on my table right now because of matching embellishments. So the side is spotted of the back of this dresses and dress forms. And then this one here is all the 3x4 note cards. And they are just gorgeous. On a Bad Day, There's Always Lipstick by Audrey Hepburn. Fashions fade, style is eternal. Isn't that the truth? So pretty. Life is too short to wear boring clothing. And then this pretty pattern here. I think I got a pattern similar to this in something else. And the perfume bottles, love these. I could just sit and cut out all those. They're gorgeous. They're so pretty. And then this, and I love this. This makes me wish I would have bought 2 of them, just so I could cut out all these and still have this. So I might just have to, you know, cut off a section so I can use this, because I love this. Because I love plaids and ginghams. And here's another one with dress forms, dresses, hats. Hello, gorgeous. On a Bad Day, There's Always Lipstick. That one again. And a stripe, and it's kind of an off-white background. I think all the papers are off-white background because it is like it's a vintage line. And here's the Eiffel Tower. Kind of a, it's like a pattern that you find in a damask. And here is Paris. And purses. Love that. Want to cut out some of those too. And this tells probably all the places one might find fashion. Fashion Week, dressmakers, high fashion, 7th Avenue, 5th Avenue. Yep. Okay, and then shoes. Now when I see shoes this size, I think of Barbie. So cute. And then this one here, this totally makes me think of what, like the 60s maybe? And more Eiffel Towers on that peachy pink color. And then those little, what are they called? I can't remember what the name of these are. I've never had one. Maybe if I've had one of these little, I don't know, it's like a little cake. Looks like it's all covered with frosting. I've never had one. I know my sister goes on about them, so I'll have to ask her what they are. Oh, does it happen to say what they are? No, it says bonjour. Okay. And more note cards, and these are all different sizes. I love it when they do all different sizes because I think they're easier to use, because you can, you know, you could build something around different sizes. To me, that's what I think. Oh, there's those things again. Maybe they're cupcakes here, because it almost looks like a cupcake paper. But I don't know. I can't tell you. But that's Just beautiful cards. And, oh, in that same pattern. More of these. Oh, these ones don't have dresses. They're just address forms. So that's cute. Oh, and I love this. It's just like such a delicate little rose pattern. Love that. Okay. But that'd be so cute, like just on a baby page or, you know, like a wedding page. Saying yes to the dress. And then this, like all the streets where you'd find all the fashions. And here you see the fashions in the windows. The ladies sitting out and having tea. People coming out. Oh, she doesn't even have a package. Huh. I don't understand that. She doesn't either. Oh, they're probably having them delivered to their house, I'm sure. Okay, and then kind of that damask pattern again. Damask. I guess that's how you pronounce it. Okay, and then these here, the glasses, sunglasses, all the different makeup things. This is part of the reason why I bought it was because I have a picture of my granddaughter thinking that she's putting on makeup. So that's so cute. See, I want to cut all these out too. What's my paper on the back? Okay, so I could cut out some of each of them, so that would be nice. Those are cute. And here is the sticker page, which is beautiful. Oh, look at the purses made out of that plaid. I could get into that. And the Eiffel Tower shoes. You always need a new pair of shoes. One is never overdressed or underdressed with a little black dress. Sunglasses, the little makeup things. All the fashions. So adorable. Fashionista. And then with it, you got these fancy pants designs. My type, and it's Puffy vintage typewriter stickers. So that's cute. I always have a hard time using these, so these might be something I'll have to kind of force myself to use them, or maybe just keep it with this kit until I use it a couple times. Because something like this is nice for like a secondary title or part of a big title. Okay, and let me flip this over and I will show you these. I guess I can slide this back over here. Okay, and these are frames and tags. And you get 33 pieces. Oh, I tried to stick my whole hand in there and then it doesn't want to work. Okay, so here's one of those fashionable ladies. Shopping is my cardio. Kindness is always fashionable. The joy of dressing is an art. Paris. Beautiful. Fashionista. Beauty and it's a perfume bottle. Fashion show. Bunch of little dresses. I say they're little dresses because they're only this big. And this looks like it must be a ticket for a train or the subway or something. Ooh la la, and those little cakes. And glam, perfume, perfume. En Vogue. This looks like a designer. Okay, so this would have been a tag like on a dress. Another tag with a dress on it. Pearls are always appropriate. Little circle pieces. Little tags. Oh, this is a funny looking one. Elegance is when the inside is as beautiful as the outside, which is neat, but she almost looks like she's crawling on the floor. Give me that gown. I must have the gown. Sunglasses. A little banner. And these are words I can't pronounce. because they're in French. Life's too short to wear boring clothing. Hello. Oh, this is a cute dress. And everyone needs a little black dress. And then Paris with the Eiffel Tower. So those are all the pieces you get in that. So I just wanted to show you that. I was going to do another, I was going to do a layout today. But I think I'm probably not going to get that done. I'll tell you, yesterday it took me so long. I did that 2-hour video or more. I'm going to see if I can find a way to do a kind of gather more. Oh, I think I forgot the most important part. I forgot to tell you how much it was. With shipping and tax and everything, it was $19.98 for everything I showed you. All right, bye.